Hi, Cameron. Yes. Can you show me your yes or your no?
Yes, this is the second.
Hi, Cameron. Davis, can you get him to do it?
Come on.
Cammy, what are you gonna do? You being a big boy standing at the table? There he goes. There he goes. No. Yes. You're silly. You're silly. You're super silly. You gotta make yourself dizzy. Are you dizzy now? Are you dizzy? You're a funny boy. Cameron. What are you doing? You're being silly. Davis, what are you doing down there?
You know what? I like this one.
Yeah. Cameron, are you talking? What are you talking about?
Love to bestow it upon you, but we don't actually have it.
Oh. Look at you, standing like a big boy.
Thanks, guys. Don't worry, I'll watch out for them. Thank
Are
you.
you standing like a big boy?
Morning, Dum-Dum.
Does the voice of the Easter Island head sound
Cameron.